See, here it is. It says road 28. I'm in road 28. I don't see it unless I walk past it. That could be, but I see, but that's the Mercury back there, and that's a different row. So yeah, I don't know. On to the next one. Let's do row 26. Yeah, so that was kind of weird. I'm walking real slow to make sure I didn't walk past it, but I most definitely know I didn't have good eyesight. So, oh well. On to the next one. Maybe they picked it up and crushed it already. See what row 26 looking like. All right, so it was no luck on the fusions, but we did find a nice looking Saturn ore. Now remember, we need the tail light on this thing, and these are very nice tail lights. So you can see, very, very clean. So we go snag that. And also I found the interior is in really good condition too. As you can see, a leather interior, but this is what we're looking for here. As you can see, it's leather seat. It's in really good condition. That little mode, of course, it wipes off, and it's heated and powered. And look at this, the key is in the inside, and the panel that we need, because remember this part is broken, is here also. So we're gonna snag this. I'm going to probably have to come back and get the seat, because I need to put some jumper cables or a battery box or whatever on the car to get the seat to move, so that way I can unbolt it from the front, because the back part is easy to get to. As you can see, screws are right there for the back. So that's the game plan with this. Actually, let's go ahead and close it up. But as of right now, I'm leaving with the tail light and maybe the panel that goes underneath the steering wheel, underneath the steering wheel. So let me show you how to take this headlight off. Here's the headlight, so nice, so clean. It's the same year. All right, super clean. So coming to the inside, pull this little carpet back. And as you can see, one right here, and then two right there, none at the bottom. So literally just loosen these up. You can sit that to the side, loosen the other one up. All right, try to loosen this one up. All right, and then it should be able to come out. So, nice little pull. Sometimes I need two hands, but yeah, hold on. Don't strong arm it. Always look for extra screws. As you can see, it's another one right there at the very top. We missed it the first time, but it's right there. So just do the same thing. Unhook it, spin it off, set it right there, and it comes right out. All right, so don't strong arm it, don't break it, because you don't want to break the seal that's right there. There, you good to go. So once you get to this part, only thing you really got to do is just unhook this sensor, which is for it's not even a sensor, it's literally a connection for the light. So unhook that, keep everything else, you're good to go. To replace it, you literally just plug the connection back up, set it back in place, and put the bolts back on. So I'm gonna take this one, put that in our box, get our hefty duty hammer, put that back, and we're most definitely gonna keep these. Whether I got some on the old one or not, I always keep the screws just in case. You could put that in there. All right. And I do need this, so let's go on. Hopefully it's on another one. I think this is it here. Yeah, kind of looks like a G6, but no, it's a Saturn. No, actually it is a G6. I was like, it looks like a G6. Where's the ore at? Oh, it's down there. Okay. Yeah, I knew that was a G6. Pattern. Not too bad of a condition. Luckily, we don't need any of this. But actually, if we did, it'd be easy to get because a lot of them actually are full. Like they have all their body parts. Yeah, we're not going to get this because that panel we need there is black, but ours need to be tan. Also, the seat is black and ours need to be tan. But they do have a trunk latch. They do have the trunk latch, and that's what we need right here. So let's get ready to take this off. So it looks like to take the trunk latch off, you're gonna have to take this off, pretty much take this cover down. So it's one here, and a few along there. Honestly, I'm just gonna take these two off and pull it down, and then we can get to whatever else inside. Once you rip this down, literally just pull it over. You can just pull it down to give you some room. Then you're gonna see 1, 2, 3. Looks like it's maybe like a 10. So I think I have a 10 on here already. So 14. All right, so let me find the 10. Let's go ahead and take them all out. All right. Remember, always keep your screws, keep them separate so you know where they're at. One's here. Take that one. Take that one. Put it there. And now, as you can see, it's loose. So we want to get it. So we might have to press these in because that's what's stopping it. All right, so you're gonna push those tabs down with your flathead. And once you do that, it's gonna go right through. Once it goes through, you can pull it, disconnect the connection here, and then you'll be good to go. Take your flathead and lift it up here. See these 2 dots? That's like kind of like the safety latch that's keeping it from sliding up. So just take your flathead, lift it up, and it'll go over, and it'll just slide right up. Once you get it up, you can just pull it off. There you go. All right, so here's a brand new latch. Hopefully it works. It looks like it's in decent condition. So I'm going to keep this. I'm probably going to snag one more, to be honest, and then we're good. Make sure I keep this. So here's a fusion, the fender that we need. So only problem is this right here. It's not really too bad. It's just a scrape, so I figure I can get that off. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this one and take it off. Screw here, 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 and one in there. So let's see. Can't get it because of how they put the block on there. Oh man. So it's connected down here, but I can't grab it because how they put this thing on here. It's sitting directly on it. Man. All right. Maybe I'll just come back. All right, so here's a Saturn. Another one, and as you can see, the panel that we need is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. How we're going to do that is remove the 2 screws here. This is a 6mm. Or 9/32. Actually 2 screws, one here and then one here. Unloosen those.
What is the plan? I cannot lie for none of you, long as I know who I am. I'm in control. God got his hand on my soul. And if I land it,
all right, so at the very bottom, it's a little piece that goes here. Actually, goes like this. So you pull that off. There's another screw there. Just take your same tool. Loosen it up. It should come out. Take that piece off. There you go. It's a little bit loose. Probably gonna have to remove the radio trimming. So after all that pulling, finally got it out. It's one little piece right here. It's like a clip, so you just gotta pull, but when you pull it, just make sure you do it straight out and not on an angle so it don't break. And don't forget to take these 2 screws out. It just helps you. And you kind of got to break a little piece, not break it because I'm pretty sure it's your personal car, but remove or pull up the trim that goes around the radio just a little bit so you can pull it out. Keep your screws and you're good to go. Yeah. And just like that, we finally have all the parts we need to successfully repair our Saturn orb. So stay tuned for the next video to check out the repairs we're going to do on this car and get that thing done. And so today was a successful day at the junkyard. Stay tuned for the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thumbnail.